fox and a cat. One day, a cat and a fox were having a conversation. The fox, who was a conceited creature, boasted how clever she was. "Why, I know at least 100 tricks to get away from our mutual enemies, the dog," she said. "I know only one trick to get away from dogs," said the cat. "You should teach me some of yours." "Well, maybe someday when I have the time, I might teach you a few of the simple ones," replied the fox early. Just then they heard the barking of a pack of dogs in the distance. The barking grew louder and louder. The dogs were coming in their direction. At once, the cat ran to the nearest tree and climbed into its branches, well off reach of any dogs. "This is the trick I told you about, the only one I know," said the cat. "Which one of your 100 tricks are you going to use?" The fox sat silently under the tree, wondering which trick she should use. Before she could make up her mind, the dogs arrived. They fell upon the fox and tore her to pieces. Moral: a single plan that works is better than 100 double plans.